Welcome back to Botbisters. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: AI and the jobs of the future. As technology evolves, so does the workforce landscape. We'll explore how AI is reshaping industries and discuss the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. So let's jump right in. It's no secret that AI is transforming industries across the board. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI-powered automation is streamlining processes, boosting efficiency, and even allowing machines to perform tasks that were once exclusive to humans. While AI is undoubtedly improving our lives, the question arises, are jobs at risk? Many fear that automation will lead to widespread job displacement. But history shows that as technology evolves, new opportunities emerge. It's crucial to recognize that while some tasks may be automated, human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence remain highly valuable and irreplaceable. To thrive in the AI-driven future, reskilling and upskilling will play a pivotal role. As industries evolve, workers will need to adapt and acquire new skills that complement the capabilities of AI systems. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, it's essential to see it as a collaborator. AI can enhance our capabilities and allow us to tackle complex problems more efficiently than ever before. Whether it's a radiologist using AI to analyze medical images or a farmer utilizing AI for precision agriculture, humans and machines working together can achieve remarkable results. So, what does the future of work actually look like? While certain jobs may become obsolete, entirely new professions are emerging. Data scientists, AI trainers, ethicists specializing in AI, and more are all part of the AI-powered ecosystem. It's crucial for individuals to be open to continuous learning and adaptability, as the job landscape will continue to evolve alongside technology. As we wrap up, it's evident that AI and the jobs of the future are interconnected in complex ways. While some roles may change, the potential for human-AI collaboration is immense. By embracing these changes, we can shape a future where both technology and humanity thrive. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of AI and jobs. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the future.